Hello viewers, welcome to Maddy Eka Academy. Today we will be discussing about reform in IPC, CRPC and Indian Evidence Act. The Indian Penal Code, IPC, the Code of Criminal Procedure, CRPC, and the Indian Evidence Act have undergone significant reforms to modernize India's criminal justice system. The Bharatiya Nyay Sanhita, BNS, is a key part of this overhaul, introducing several important provisions. 1. BNS defines terrorism clearly, aiding in effective prosecution. 2. It repeals sedition laws to safeguard free speech. 3. It introduces capital punishment for mob lynching. 4. It imposes strict penalties for deceitful sexual relations. 5. BNS promotes community service as an alternative to incarceration. 6. It sets a maximum 180-day limit to file charge sheets, enhancing efficiency. The Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, focuses on technological integration and procedural safeguards. BNSS mandates technology used to streamline legal processes. It requires video recording of statements for sexual violence survivors. Arrests must have prior approval from a minimum DSP level. Trials can proceed in absentia for absconding criminals. The Bharatiya Saksha Adhiniyam, BSA, emphasizes clear definitions and procedural fairness. BS defines electronic devices for legal purposes. It recognizes expert opinion as valuable evidence. It affirms the presumption of innocence as fundamental. Challenges to these reforms include legal interpretation, resource constraints for technology integration, enforcement, public awareness, and political resistance. These reforms aim to create a more efficient, transparent, and rights-focused legal system in India, requiring collective efforts to ensure their effective implementation. Stay informed about the latest legal reforms shaping a fairer and more inclusive future. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe the video to stay updated. Thank you.